If you have a Shopify store and you're not getting sales or getting much visitors on your store, then probably there's something wrong with your store or there is something missing in your store. If I keep aside the design and the product selection of your store, there's just one thing that makes the difference: selection of applications that you use to run your online Shopify store. I've already done a whole episode on how to select products to sell online, so you can check it out later. There's so much more to oversee when you're running an online e commerce store: email marketing, secured checkout, shipments, and speed optimization. I have built and designed many Shopify stores, and today I'll talk about my personal favorite Shopify apps that make the store owner jobs easy and efficient to manage their stores and get more sales. I have many clients who often have these same problems. They don't know how to rank their site on Google search pages. They don't know how to optimize the speed of their store. They don't know how to get more traffic on their site even without doing ads. I have solved these problems by using some applications on Shopify and made their job easy, and they have seen better results after that. Today, in this episode, I'll talk about the best applications that you can use to optimize your Shopify store and get more customers organically. If you don't want to miss any of them, then stick with me till the end. I won't talk about email marketing tools and ad setup tools and pixels because that's basic and everyone talks about it. I'll talk about the apps that many stores don't use, but they need these applications to get more customers and optimize their Shopify store. The number one app that I would recommend to all Shopify store owners is Plugin SEO. Everyone wants their e commerce store to rank in Google and get on the top three search results for the specific keyword in their industry. But not everyone knows how to work on it and achieve this goal. Plugin SEO does the work for you. It keeps an eye on your web store and makes sure your SEO is intact. Once installed, this application will automatically detect all the SEO aspects of your store, including keywords, speed, block content, broken links, and other SEO problems. So you don't need to check pages individually. It is one of the best Shopify applications for search engine optimization. To talk about some features of it, it sends email alerts whenever there is an SEO problem in your site, gives free instructions, including code snippets for fixing the SEO, and also checks and improves SEO to gain organic traffic. You can do the SEO scanning of your e commerce store for absolutely free, but to unlock more features, you'll have to subscribe to their plans, which cost around $20 per month. With proper SEO optimization, your store can show up on the top three search results, which will bring more traffic to your e commerce site and eventually bring some extra customers to your site. And when your store has ranked on Google, guess what? That's passive income for you, as you'll get customers no matter if you run ads or not. The second application that I use the most is alternative products. Sometimes what happens is, due to low competition for some specific keyword, your site ranks for the wrong product or wrong page or any discontinued or archived product. Google cannot determine if you are still selling the product or not, but it still shows that discontinued and old products on their search results. What happens here is that your customers hop onto the wrong product, and when they don't see the thing they are looking for, they leave. That's a loss for you, and I have a solution for this. With Alternative Products app, you can direct this traffic to the products you still sell and convert them instead of leaving customers on the dead end page and with a poor customer experience. Don't break the deal for customers. Instead, give them something you are selling. If I talk about its features, it easily finds your old products and old items and set up an alternative product in just seconds. It configures custom reasons and specify the reasons why a product has an alternative. Your messaging will change depending on the reason given, and it is fully customizable. I often use these applications for single product Shopify stores and niche based stores who stop selling a particular product but still get traffic on that dead end page. And you know what's better to get more customers than starting a referral program for your e commerce store? Customers who love your product are much more likely to refer them to a friend. And if you are not giving advantage of a referral program, you could be losing some nice sales. Referral Candy is a perfect Shopify app for creating custom referral programs for your online store. Its features include clean and easy to understand dashboard for monetizing referrals and automatic reward delivery to make the referral process easier. You can start this as a free trial for 30 days but it's a bit expensive as it costs around $49 per month. And I only recommend using this for products that are trendy, antique, and enthusiastic. If you have an evergreen product, don't waste your money on this. So there you have it. My three best Shopify app recommendations for you all. If you install these applications in your store, the speed, the SEO, and your organic traffic will increase immensely, and you would thank me later. If you think this episode was valuable, then share it with your other friends and other store owners and let them know about this application so that they can improve their site too. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Behind the Brains podcast on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Spotify, and YouTube, then please do so because you are missing a lot of content. And if you haven't yet followed us on Instagram and Twitter, then please do so. Just as I talk about innovation, Hyperstech has come up with a new and advanced smartwatch with healthcare functions, which is most important right now with this global pandemic. The GX smartwatch comes with exclusive design and premium quality material with 4 color variants that will help you suit up with any fashion wear that you prefer. It's water resistant and dust resistant and comes with 7 faces events, which includes meetings, weddings, reunions, and many others. And it's equipped with latest health monitor functions, which will always help you to be on the safe and healthy side of life. And this is the perfect smartwatch for entrepreneurs who always love innovation and always love to be cool and classy. You can check the link in the description for more information. And with that being said, let's end this episode right here. I'm Dhaval, founder and host of Behind the Brains podcast. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep listening, keep hustling.